Types of aircrafts. Fixed-wing aircraft. Fixed-wing aircraft are those that have their wings attached to the fuselage, so that they can create lift while flying through the air. This lift is produced by the air flowing over the curved surface of the wing, which results in an area of low pressure above the wing and an area of high pressure below the wing. The forward thrust required to move the aircraft through the air is typically provided by one or more jet engines or propeller engines. Rotary wing aircraft. A rotary wing aircraft uses rotating blades or rotors to generate lift, allowing it to hover in place and take off vertically and land vertically. Helicopters are the most common and popular rotary wing aircraft, but autogyros and tilt rotors are also available. In general, rotary wing aircraft are adaptable and suitable for various uses, such as transport, search and rescue, and military operations. Balloons. A balloon aircraft is a type of aircraft that obtains lift from a sizable, lightweight, frequently spherical, or elongated balloon that is filled with helium or hot air. By controlling the gas density within the balloon, balloon aircraft rise and fall passively, unlike airplanes and helicopters, which require propulsion systems to move through the air. Parachutes. Parachutes are slow-moving air-flowing craft that helps move through, creating drag to land. They are made through lightweight yet stable and fitting fabrics such as nylon or silk. Parachutes may be in the shapes of round, dome, or inverted dome. Only one or two maximum can fit in one parachute. Airships. Airships are types of aircraft that move through the air using a propulsion system and a large, gas-filled envelope or bladder as lift. For lift, airships typically use gases like helium and are lighter than air. In contrast to balloons, airships have an internal framework that helps them keep their shape and serves as a platform for the mounting of engines, control surfaces, and other machinery. Glider. Glider is made to fly without an engine or other propulsion system. In order to maintain or gain altitude, gliders use thermals, updrafts, and ridge lifts to sustain themselves. It's made of lightweight materials such as wood, plastic, or composite materials and has a high aspect ratio wing design to achieve a high glide ratio. The majority of gliders are compact and only hold a maximum of 2 people. Helicopters. Helicopters are rotary wing aircraft with one or more rotors that lift and propel them. Helicopters have the ability to hover stationary, fly in any direction, and carry out a variety of other acrobatics. It is primarily used for government, aerial observation, tourism, construction, rescue, and military applications. Biplane. A biplane is a fixed-wing aircraft with 2 pairs of wings stacked. The top wings are usually smaller than the bottom wings and are located just above the fuselage. The lower wings are attached to the fuselage directly. These are types of aircrafts lighter but have excellent stiffness and efficiency. Gyroplane. Gyroplane use a rotor to provide lift. However, a gyroplane's rotor is not powered by an engine. The rotor self-propels according to how air flows through it, and the air flows to assist the gyroplanes in lifting upward. Tricycle gear aircraft. Aircraft with tricycle gear has 3 wheels. Normally, the aircraft's 2 main wheels are placed towards the back, while the nose wheel is placed towards the front. This design makes it simpler to control the aircraft on the ground and easing takeoff and landing. Business jet. A business jet is used to transport individuals or small groups of people for business or personal purposes. These aircraft can be flown by a single pilot or a small flight crew. Business jets are typically smaller than commercial airliners. Light sport aircraft. Petrol, diesel, and electric motors are just a few of the engines that light sport aircraft can run on. They may be a little heavier than ultralight aircraft, but they are elegant and stylish. These are frequently used for activities like sightseeing, aerial photography, and flight training. Float planes. Instead of wheels or landing gear, float planes are built to take off and land on water. These aircraft have special float structures attached to the bottom of their fuselages, which give them buoyancy on the water. Cargo planes. Cargo planes have large cargo doors and ramps, specialized cargo handling equipment, and adjustable cargo loading systems. These are utilized for moving goods between manufacturing and distribution facilities, delivering aid and supplies to disaster areas, and moving military personnel and equipment. Turboprops. Turboprops are propelled by a gas turbine engine that drives a propeller. A turbine in the engine turns the propeller, generating thrust to propel the aircraft forward. They use less fuel and have lower operating costs. These come in a variety of sizes, but compared to jet planes, these types of aircraft move more slowly. Military aircraft. Military aircraft are specialized planes made for military use. It is equipped with advanced features, such as specialized weaponry and advanced avionics.